In the era of AI, privacy has become more important than ever before, as AI connects and transforms our lives in ways we never imagined. Like when it suggests when to leave for work based on traffic, or reminds you to use that expiring coupon to fuel up for a busy day ahead. But privacy threats have also evolved. To give you peace of mind when using your phone, we've strengthened our baseline protection. For enhanced on-device security, your personalized data is processed and combined in the Personal Data Engine, where it is encrypted and securely saved, inaccessible to anyone else, with the decryption key safely stored inside with Knox Vault. Your devices, connected in an ecosystem, protect each other with Knox Matrix, ensuring safe data transfers, while post-quantum cryptography defends against future threats. With 7 years of security and OS updates, long-term protection is guaranteed. And when using cloud AI, your data is neither shared with others nor used for targeted ads. In the end, you should have full control over your privacy and the power to choose your privacy settings. Even in the era of AI, we believe your personal data should stay personal.